I can get out there on this fiberglass. He gotta be talking about somebody say 349. I heard somebody say 349. Slinger Mobile around Pittsburgh, waving right back. I'll see you. Where'd you go?
Well, Mud Slinger, you're sounding good out of Pittsburgh, no doubt. 122, 122, state of Maine, waving.
122.
Mud Slinger, I heard that old mobile come up into my receive over here in Maine, and you sounded loud and proud, so I had to spike the mic and see if we could wave a hand right back at you there. You got real good Mother Nature rolling into Maine. Hey, Mud Slinger, pleasures on this end. 122 Maine, we're going to put that 4-1 your way and slide back on out there. Hey, you had yourself a good evening. No name, the man with no name just rolled into my receive. No pain, no strain. Sounding good at 10. 122 Maine, not taking it back.
Oh, 122 Maine.
I got it all, 'cause you said it all. A man with no name had yourself a good evening. Sounding good. 122, state of Maine, will be back out. Bye-bye.
Somebody came up in there late. Well, good afternoon time to you.
Free bird, I believe you said out of Maryland. We're going to wave a hand right back at you there, shooting up the coast, no pain, no strain. 122, state of Maine, waving right back.
122, sounding real good down this way. Till bird lands on your antenna next time. We'll do it again real slow. I'm really done now. 121, trying to wave a hand.
121, we're going to wave a hand at you, no doubt. 122, state of Maine. Hillbilly over there in Virginia, sounding good over here in Maine. 122 waving.
Pittsburgh, break.